Hi everyone, day 15 of the 31 days to get organised challenges, and today is the last day focusing on I might need it one day clutter. Now listen up, because here's a bit of a tough talk. I have found that generally people who focus on I might need it one day clutter are anxious and often fearful about not being prepared, or about needing to be more than they are. If I buy this item, then I will be better than I am now. And that kind of anxiety can really percolate through your life. So I'd love you today to just stop and examine why it is that you feel the need to hold on to collect, to not let go of a whole lot of stuff that you anticipate you might somehow, somewhere need in the future. The only thing we have is now. And while it makes sense to sensibly prepare for the future, filling your home with stuff and destroying or compromising the now, preparing for some imagined future, really doesn't make sense. So the most important thing to do today is not an activity, but really a reflection. I want you to think about script replacement. So start with something simple. When you go to the mall, when I feel sad, I go to the mall to shop. Okay, in the future, instead of going to the mall, I will phone a friend and ask to catch up for a cup of coffee. Instead of shopping for a bargain, I will look at what I can do around my house to cook a great meal. Instead of buying clothes that are too small for me, I will go for a 1 mile walk. Whatever it is, think about what it is that triggers you to buy all that stuff, and then start thinking about replacing those activities with a different script. It's another great way to tackle I might need it one day clutter. Look, I know this isn't easy, and I know it's challenging, but that's why we're here together, and that's why we have this really supportive community. Let's see how you do. Talk to you soon.